Hello. When the teacher models a piece of writing using a graphic organizer, they model how to complete the blank spaces on the appropriate graphic organizer. As mentioned before, it's important that students understand that graphic organizers need to be fairly detailed because they are essentially storing what you are going to write about. And as soon as you start to write, a lot of those ideas, if they're not recorded, will disappear. It's to do with working memory, which I talked about a couple of weeks ago. So graphic organizers need to be reasonably detailed. Obviously, they contain notes rather than full sentences. And they store the information. So as we write or type, our brain is relieved of that burden. We don't have to be thinking, what am I going to write about? Because I've stored that. How am I going to put it together? And during the modeling phase of the teaching cycle, the teacher is able to demonstrate that very effectively. See you later.